Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about the KRNL Executor updated for 2025. This goes for both iOS and Android devices, alright? So step by step guide, let's start with this one. Step 1, you need to prepare your device. Ensure your iOS and Android device has enough storage, at least 500 MB. Should be the one recommended. That's a lot of space, guys. Just make sure you have that one. Next up, back up your device and make sure for iOS no jailbreak is required, and for Android no root is required for this one. So stay safe for this one and don't worry about jailbreak. Step 2, download the KRNL mobile version. So visit a website and trusted third-party source that offers mobile compatibility downloads. Choose the one acceptable for your version, iOS or Android. Just a disclaimer, guys, alright? Trust or choose the trusted website only. There's a lot of malicious websites out there with a lot of virus. So I suggest you trust or use this link. Moving forward, let me just go here. So I always use this one. So Nord virus link checker. With this one, I can just input the website name here and Nord will tell me if it's malicious or not. Alright, let me have a sample here. KRNL Roblox download, like so. For example, this one right here. I'm just going to simply paste it right there. Click on Analyze right here. As you can see, this is going to be no signs of malicious activity. So this website right here is actually safe. How about this one, GitHub? Let me just choose another link here. Analyze, and as you can see right there, it's going to be a safe one. You can also check a file checker right there if you don't have a link, alright? Now going back on our version right here, step 3, install the application. So you need to install a third-party application for Scarlet or Trollstore. For iOS and for Android, just enable install from unknown sources and you'll be good to go. Alright, for iOS, again, you need Scarlet or Trollstore moving forward. And then launch the application and inject some scripts. So log in and create an account if required. Choose the Roblox game inside this application and tap inject or execute to run a script. Paste your desired script in the executor and tap run. And basically enjoy the features. Okay? Important tips, guys. Always download from official websites, as I've said earlier. Use a VPN for extra security. Nord is a good VPN. I use that one personally. And be cautious on exploits on Roblox can lead to account bans. And basically that's it. So enjoy that one and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.